We had a dream 5 years ago, and look what happened.
Raised $52 million from 24,000 individuals from the four corners of the world. Launched the first crypto app to educate the world. Released the SwissBorg App, serving 700,000 community members. The CHSB token hits unicorn status with $1.4 billion market cap. SwissBorg ranks top 5 DeFi players in the world. All of this thanks to you, the best community in the world.
If you want to take part in the next 5 years, hop on.